the Fiesta, we've got the same problem. Rear wiper blades, not great. This one's from Halfords, got a Bosch. Always buy the better kit. I always tend to buy Bosch. Now, similar to the full ones, this has just got a little lever in there, but obviously there's no bit that clips onto anything else, so presumably that's going to be in there, similar to what it was on the Land Rover. Let's do it all. We'll put that up there. Ooh. So, again, is this one just a, let's have a look. Ow! Yes, I did just have that. So it does look like, again, same, this is just a, yep. Again, just that clip goes on there. So that's the old one. It's not as much as bad a condition as the one that was on the Freelander, but as you can see, it's also not in the best condition, and it has been leaving marks on the window, which we just don't want. So I'll get a new one. Work way around, hopefully. This one's a lot harder to pop in and out than the other one, that's for sure. Feel like that's not going to fit onto there. That's one as it should do. Just not quite clipping in place. Oh, no, we thought we were there for a second, but no. Just double check it against this one. They are pretty much the same. This one is ever so slightly bigger. Not my watch, but overall they look pretty much identical. Let's have another crack. Something we don't want to fly off. Not. It does look like the clip's slightly bent, so we should try. Oh dear. Yeah, the clip wasn't just slightly bent, it was very bent. Now we need a new arm. That was what the problem was. It's that old. The clips have started to go. This is why it won't hold it in place. So, Land Rover one's definitely gone better because this one is damaged. So what I'm going to do for now is put the old one back on. I have to try and remember not to use the rear wiper, and we're going to have to get a new arm. So we'll pick that up and we'll do one on fitting that and putting the new thing on. Because I can see that the other clip is equally as weak as the one that literally just disintegrated basically. So yeah. So unfortunately that one is somewhat more of a problem. onto the front. Right, oh, best turn the lights off. Whatever flat battery. Right, we do have a problem with this unit as well, because as you can see we're getting a lot of condensation in here, which means something's not right. But because these are pretty much, it is all still sealed, as hopefully you can see there, so is that. So we're probably going to need a new light. This moisture's definitely getting in there somewhere. You can see it all around here and all around here. We've got to hope it passes with that. This is just on the outside, but that one's actually got it on the inside. Look, if I just, as you can see. Right, now I've got wet hands, that's great. So, now, because this is a Ford, they don't like to make life easy. So you have to pop this off. You have to unscrew this here. And you have to unscrew this up here. Remove this whole thing off. And then unscrew the bulbs, pull them out, and we can change it. So let's start. So, first off, I'm going to try and get this plug out. You have to be careful, these can have a habit of flying off. Okay, not done too bad with that, so we'll put that to one side. Now we need to try and get these off. Now you think, memory serves, I think this one we can do with this. You either need a flat head or one of the cross nut bolts. Very difficult. Let me just try a different screwdriver. Literally breaking the screwdriver. Right, bear with me, I'll be right back. Right, so for the top one we need one of these. Now this one I think is going to be too big. Yes, so we just need to find the right size. I think it's going to be... Okay, that's the one. That's the one you want. It is 4. No, it's not a 4. Let's try 5. Try 5. No, 5's too big. We got some problems here. This is not. Want to come undone. Oh, now we're chipping bits off it. This is the problem. with these things. This is the problem. Bit of WD-40 around it. So I'll give that a minute. So without getting that one off, nothing we can do. It's also worth looking at the state of the battery. It's not in very good shape. And then showing green. So it's green. Green is good. Right, I'm just going to get a different screwdriver. Nope. Right, I'll be right back. It really does not want to move. I'll show you. This one just here. It is wedged in there pretty tight. Alright, let's put that back in there. Alright, if this doesn't do it, we are out of options. That bastard is not coming off. I don't think we can move the light enough to get into it. Nope. Getting that one off, we are screwed. Wow. Some more. Fiesta's been alright. People going about how bad Land Rovers are. Land Rover's been fine, and Fiesta's a fucking nightmare. So we're just mangling the screw now, which if you're not careful, just makes it even worse. Well, that is what you would do to replace this light bulb. Giving way now. Well, I think you're going to have to do that one. That's going to need a new screw in it when it does come out as well. So we fixed one, almost. And it's the one that's supposed to be the easiest that we haven't.
Jet plane headed up to the sky, spread wings and the clouds getting